Students planning a cultural event have tons of creative ideas but can't prioritize them. Discussions stay enthusiastic but go nowhere. The hidden problem? They lack a framework for evaluating ideas and making collaborative decisions based on evidence rather than just opinions. I designed a formative assessment with 3 straightforward phases. On phase 1, individuals write down 3 event ideas. Groups share and pick their best 5 ideas to evaluate. On phase 2, they evaluate. Groups use a provided decision matrix with 3 criteria. Relevance: does it fit our course goal and community interests? Feasibility: can we actually do this with our time and budget? And impact: will people engage with these events? Students rate each idea from 1 to 3 for each criterion: low, medium, or high. But here's the key. They must write 1 sentence explaining why they gave that rating. For example, we rate feasibility as 2 because we have the space but need more budget. They add up the scores and see which idea ranks highest. Let me be clear about what's missing. These learners need to develop critical thinking and structured decision-making skills. They can yet analyze relevance, evaluate feasibility, or predict impact systematically. They're stuck generating ideas without tools to choose between them. That's the cognitive gap we need to address. On phase 3, present and reflect, groups present their top choice in 3 minutes, showing their complete matrix. Then individually, students answer. How did using the matrix change how your group make decisions? What would you do differently next time? This task generates clear evidence of learning. From the matrix I see: can students apply criteria consistently across ideas? Do their ratings match their written explanations? Does their final choice make logical sense based on scores? From reflections I assess: can they identify how the structure improved their discussion? Do they recognize the skill applies beyond event planning? A quality reflection might say, before, we just talked about what sounded fun. The matrix helped us focus on what we could actually accomplish. I'll use this for choosing topics in future group projects. This directly shows whether students gained the decision-making framework they were missing. This assessment solves the original problem. It gives students a simple, repeatable tool for collaborative decision-making. They learn to move from brainstorming to systematic evaluation. They practice justifying choices with evidence. And they develop metacognitive awareness of their own thinking processes. The results: learners who can prioritize effectively and make better collaborative decisions in any context. Thank you.